Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to mark a candidate as dropout in the CM Pratigya Portal. First, open the official website, CM Pratigya Portal. Now click on the login button. Enter your registered email ID, password, CAPTCHA. Then click on login. After login, the dashboard page will open. On the left side, you will see different menu options. To mark a candidate dropout, click on Manage Candidate Joining Attendance module. Now you will see all internship postings uploaded by you. Select the internship from which you want to drop out the candidate. Then click on the Attendance button. After clicking Attendance, all joined candidates of that internship will be visible. Now find the candidate you want to drop out. On the left side of the candidate name, you will see a dropout icon. Click on that icon. Now the candidate dropout form page will open. Here you can see candidate details like candidate name, internship start date, internship end date, internship title. Below that, dropout information will also be shown. Please read it carefully. Now select the dropout reason. You will see some predefined reasons like absent, ethical issue, misconduct. You can also select other and enter your own reason. For example, we are selecting absent. Now select the dropout date. After that, enter dropout remarks. Then click on the Submit button. After successful submission, a success message will appear. This is how you can mark a candidate as dropout. After submission, you can also check the dropout status. Once you submit the dropout request, it goes to the candidate login. If the candidate does not reply within 15 days, the request is automatically approved and moved to the approved list. If the candidate replies within 15 days, the request goes to the state admin checker login. The checker can approve, reject, send back. If approved by the checker, the candidate will appear in the approved list. Rejected candidates will appear in the reject list. This is the complete process to mark a candidate dropout in the CM Pratigya portal. Thank you.